So this is a car that we just repaired. He's gonna basically sit inside here and look all around as we run a hose to let water run through. As you can see, he's looking with a light. You can see him moving his light around, checking every seam, making sure the glass is all in properly and there's no water leaking. That's a big thing because a lot of people get their cars fixed, they take their cars, it rains out, next thing you know the car's water leaking. Sometimes you won't be able to see it, and later on in time it could cause electrical issues, it could cause mold, stuff gets moldy, and sometimes you don't know that for a year later because you can't get inside there after all the trim panels are in place. We're gonna see the end result. Let's get him out of the trunk. Hopefully he's okay. So what do we think? We're good? So he's got the thumbs up. That means the water test successful. 3 minutes of running water, success. You can look inside real quick and you can see it's all nice and dry. That's a big thing because there's a lot of seams and there's a lot of things going on. There was a lot of work to this car. So for us, that's a great success. The glass is replaced. Technicians at today's are the best.